Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing the new Morphe bronze collection. So I did want to mention that this video, I'm actually going to be filming it with my phone. All my other previous videos I filmed with my camera. I actually lost some of my filming equipment, so that's why I haven't been filming in a while. I haven't filmed in a while because of that. So I'm going to try out filming with my phone for now, so we'll see how like the whole video comes out. I picked up the Glamour Bronze bronzer, and I picked up the shade Megastar, the Morphe Liquid Luster for Mini Highlighters, and the 35G Bronze Gold palette. This eyeshadow palette retails for $25. And this is the packaging. The packaging is really nice. It's actually different from like all the other palettes. Usually they have like a plastic cover, which I thought this was really nice that it came in like the cardboard type of packaging. On the inside, it comes with all these pretty shades. And it does come with like a plastic sheet that has the names on it, and no mirror. So if you do like mirrors in your palette, this palette doesn't have a mirror in it. So I'm going to start off doing the eyeshadow look, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in for the look. I'm going to use this shade for my transition, right, using my E40 Sigma brush. I do want to mention that I did prep my eye already, and I used the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is like my favorite concealer. I use that basically to prep my eyes every day. For my next shade, I'm going to use this deeper brown color. I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to take this shade right here. This is the gold pretty shade. And I want to see how it works without wetting the brush first. So let's see how this applies. So that's kind of darker than what I thought it was gonna be. I'm actually gonna try this one right here, just because that one looks a little bit darker than what I thought it was gonna look like on the lid. So I'm gonna take this other yellow shade and put that on top. That's really pretty, and that's without me wetting the brush. I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit with this hangover setting spray and just see how that shadow picks up. That's super pretty. Okay, so next I'm going to take this orange shade and put it in the middle. I'm just going to blend this into that gold we put. So now I'm going to take this really nice red shade. Okay, so now that I have that red in, I'm going to take this really pretty bronze matte. And it looks like it has shimmers in it, but it is a matte shadow. I'm going to go over with the Morphe 507 brush. And this is really tiny little blending brush. And I'm going to put a little bit more of that shadow onto the brush. And go over where I just applied that really deep shade. And blend this out. I'm gonna do the other eye and pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back from doing the rest of my makeup. I totally forgot that I have the bronzer, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. And this bronzer retails for $19. Okay, so open it. Oh. Okay, so when we open it up, it does come with this little clear cover. And this is the inside. This packaging is really pretty. It's really like summery vibes. I really love it. And this does have a mirror, so that comes in really handy. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this, just basically like contour my face with it. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna do the highlighters, and this retails for $25 also, and it comes with 4 shades. Okay, so for this look, I think I'm gonna take Optic because it's more like an orangey gold color. And so I let it dry for a little bit. I'm just gonna like tap it into my face. It's actually really pretty. So I'm gonna top it off with Juvia's highlighter, and this is in, well, it doesn't say the name, but this is from Juvia's. And I'm just applying this kind of just to the top part, just to like let it make it pop more. Okay guys, so this is how the final look came out. The eyeshadow palette, I really liked it. The eyeshadows went on really nice. They weren't hard to blend or anything, and it does retail for $25, and it comes with all these shades in it, which I think is a really good value for the price that you're paying. And like you saw in the video, there wasn't any, basically no problems applying these shadows. For the yellow shade, I did have to wet the brush, but that's not really a big deal for me. All the other shimmers went on really well. As for the mini highlighters, I'm not really into like using mini highlighters, but I wanted to give them a try. This one's actually, they like dried down, so they're not really like, they don't feel wet on your face, because I know some that I have tried stay like sticky, but this one's, they dried down. And they were pretty easy to put on, and they went on really nicely, so I was impressed with the liquid highlighters as well. And these do retail for $25, which I think is really good value, and it does come with 4 mini sized, and this ones have, let's see, These have 8 ml. So each little highlighter comes with 8 ml. The bronzer, I was surprised with this one. For some reason, I thought it was going to be like kind of patchy on the skin. I always have trouble finding a good bronzer. I usually use the Too Faced chocolate bronzer, which is this one right here. But I actually really like this one. It was really easy to put on. It didn't like patch up or anything, so I do notice a lot of bronzer they do that for some reason. But this one worked out really well. The color is super pretty. I thought at first it was going to be too deep for me, but it ended up being just the perfect shade. And it goes on really nice with my skin tone. And this one is $19, which is a really good price also. They also do have I think it's like a 5-piece liquid. It's like a lip gloss set, I think. That one I didn't purchase because it was $32, and I don't really need 5 lip glosses. I'm not really like a big lip gloss person. If there was like an option to get single ones, I would have probably tried out one of them, but I didn't really need all 5 lip gloss shades, so that's why I didn't pick that up. But they do retail for $32. And I purchased everything on Ulta's website. I know you can get it at Ulta or through Morphe. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this review. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.